Turn to the latest out of Hawaii this morning. A top Maui emergency official has resigned as questions swirl over the steps taken leading up to last week's deadly wildfires.
At least 111 people are now confirmed dead. More than 1,000 are still missing. Daniel Bacchus has more.
Maui's emergency services chief, Herman Andaya, has resigned, citing health reasons, a day after rejecting criticism for not activating sirens as the wildfires swept into Lahaina.
Do you regret not sounding the sirens?
I do not.
New aerial footage shows the widespread destruction caused by the deadliest U.S. wildfire in over a century. On the ground, rescue teams with cadaver dogs are still searching for hundreds of victims, many believed to be children.
The remains that we're finding are almost unrecognizable.
As recovery efforts continue, Hawaii's Attorney General announced there will be an independent review to assess how state and county agencies prepared and responded to the wildfires. Officials are also sounding alarms on scammers looking to make money off the tragedy. Hawaiian actor Jason Momoa posted this warning to his social media followers.
There's been some people on Instagram pretending to be me, asking for money. Pure evil.
FEMA has opened recovery centers where those affected by the wildfires can apply for federal aid. Danya Bacchus, CBS News, Maui.